Lathe Groove toolpaths in Mastercam 2019 include a multiple plunge option. This lets you rough out a groove with rib cuts. To create these rib cuts, a new multiple plunge option has been added to the Groove Rough Parameters dialog. The rib cut direction lets you control the order in which ribs are machined. You can also customize other cutting parameters just for the ribs. These include the width of the ribs, feeds and speeds, dwells, and peck amounts. This cutting method reduces tool deflection and increases stability. The result is better tool wear with more aggressive feed rates.